streamlining its numerical lineup. So the Realme 15 Pro is a successor to the Realme 14 Pro Plus, and vanilla Realme 15 is the successor to the Realme 14. The Realme 15 Pro is based on a more powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. It has the same 6.8-inch OLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate. Realme is claiming a great sustained performance due to the large airflow VC. The camera department has 350 megapixel camera, 2 on the back, 1 on the front. There is no telephoto camera this time. It uses the Sony IMX896 sensor and the back main camera. The ultrawide is also upgraded to 50 megapixel. The selfie is 50 megapixel, which is an upgrade over the latest 32 megapixel of last year. In addition, you get some AI related camera features. One is the AI edit Genie, which works in default gallery. The battery is now 7000 mAh, supports 80-watt charging, and Realme claims it has 80% capability even after 1600 charging cycles. Despite the larger battery, it is slim at 7.69 millimeter. The handset comes in 3 colors: flowing silver, velvet green, and silk pink. The starting price is said to be 29,000 rupees for the 8128, while 8256 is 31,000. There's a beefier 12256 and 12512 GB, which is rated at 33,000 and 36,000 Indian rupees. The Realme C15 comes with Dimensity 7300 plus chipset, offers the same 6.8-inch curved screen. The camera system is 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultrawide, and 50 megapixel selfie camera. You get the AI edit Genie function as well. It has the same battery size. It comes in 3 paint jobs, which will be velvet green, flowing silver, and silver pink. The available memory is 8 128, 8 256, 12 256 with pricing starting from 24,000 going up to 29,000. Both phones are available for pre-order and actual sale starts in July 30.